What do we mean by the transpose of a matrix? To find the transpose of a matrix, we simply interchange its rows and columns. Yes, that gives us its transpose. Let's try out an example. This is matrix A. It has 2 rows and 2 columns. We need to find the transpose of this matrix. It is written as A with T as a superscript. What will this be equal to? We need to interchange the rows and columns. The first row becomes the first column. The first row is 1, 4. So the first column of the transpose will be 1, 4. The first row became the first column. And the second row of the matrix will become the second column of its transpose. The second row is -2, 3. So the second column of the transpose will be -2, 3. The rows of the matrix become the columns of its transpose. Or we can also say that the columns of the matrix become the rows of its transpose. Column 1 became row 1 and column 2 became row 2. But students often get confused at this point. So here's a good way to remember transpose. Assume that there are 4 cement bags, 2 on top of the other 2. The top 2 bags weigh 1 kilogram and 4 kilograms, and the bottom 2 weigh 2 kilograms and 3 kilograms. Let's say we put a box underneath it. If we push the first row, the 4 kilo bag will fall here. And on pushing the 1 kilo bag, it will land on the 4 kilo bag. Now let's push the bags in the second row towards the right. The 3 kilo bag will fall here and the 2 kilo bag will fall on top of it. This is the transpose of this matrix. The first row became the first column and the second row became the second column. So this was just one of the ways to understand transpose of a matrix. Okay, so here's matrix B. I want you to try finding the transpose of matrix B. So the first row will become the first column of the transpose. The first row is 1, 2, -1. 1, 2, -1 will be the first column of B transpose. The second row 3, 0, 4 will become the second column of the transpose. 3, 0, 4. That's B transpose. The rows and the columns were interchanged. If we are using a cement bag approach, this is how it will look. The first row falls to become the first column and the second row falls to become the second column. What is the order of matrix B? It has 2 rows and 3 columns. Its order will be 2 by 3. And B transpose has 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 by 2. The order is also reversed. 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2. If the matrix is of order 3 by 4, then its transpose will be of the order 4 by 3. We will look at more examples over the next few sessions.